Wanted to show you something quickly because it's not as obvious as you may think. Head on over to your YouTube channel, and if you're not already under the studio, make sure at the top right you click on your picture. You go to your YouTube studio, which brings you over here. Click on content on the left-hand side right here, and then from there head on over to playlists. And then from here, scroll all the way down to whatever playlist it is you want to delete. In my instance, I want to delete, let's say, Outward. I want to delete both the videos and the playlist themselves. Deleting either or does not delete the other, and then it makes it impossible for you to find your stuff. So right-click on Outward in this example and open it in a new tab. Head on over to that new tab. Now we have our playlist details. Click on Videos. You'll have all the videos that are in that playlist. Say we want to delete this one. Now right-click on that video. Open again the link in a new tab. From here, go to Playlists. Click it. It'll always be at the top. Unclick it to get rid of it. Save it at the top right. Might take a second. Sometimes it's instant. Sometimes whatever. Now from here, you're going to want to go and delete. You understand that it's going to be gone forever. Now that video is gone. It's going to bring you back over here. The default page, close that so you don't get confused. Come back over here. Refresh the page. Just to make sure that it deleted and that you can see what else is left in that playlist. Again, same thing. Right-click on the video. Open link in a new tab. Go to that tab. Remove it from the playlist. There is, unfortunately, no way to delete a playlist and videos at the same time as far as I'm aware. Again, save the changes. From here, delete the video. Close that tab. Now we're back over here. Again, refresh. Now you're left over here. Okay? From here, you can head on over to Details. Top right, next to the save where there's the three dots, and from here you can delete your playlist. Note, again, it tells you deleting playlist is a permanent action and it cannot be undone. The videos within the playlist will not be deleted. You go ahead and you delete it. Close that tab again. Now you're brought here. Outward is still here. Had you closed that window by accident, you could have come here to the three dots and just click delete, and that would have deleted the playlist. So if you're unsure or you know that you just deleted, you could kind of like do it again, if you will. But the problem is just remember it in your head and then move on to the next one. Because if you don't and you delete it, see Outward, let's delete it again. Right? And you're like, oh, that's great. Well, now it removed that I wanted 50 playlists per page back down to 10. And now I've got to go through all 300 of my playlists at the bottom right. I got to go through everything all over again, all the multiple pages that I have. But as we scroll up and we look for Outward, we can see that it is gone. Okay? So just kind of keep a mental note of it so that you can just keep like moving on kind of thing. Right? And that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to do it again. Oh, Stellaris, only one video. Yeah, nobody cares about that. Open link in a new tab. Again, you right click on it. Go to that tab. Videos. Right click, open link in a new tab. Remove that. Save. Delete. I understand. Click. Close that. Refresh this. There's nothing left. Details. Three dots. Delete. Delete. Close. We just made a mental note that we just did Stellaris. This now allows us to go to the next one, right? So yes, if you do like 5 or 6 of them, you might be like, which one did I do? But in the unlikely event that you don't remember and you go to do this, you'll just be greeted with this. It's really not a big deal. Then you just close that tab. It's like, oh, I already deleted that one. Let's do this one, okay? So there you have it. As always, if you liked the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. It does greatly help support the channel with the algorithm in trying to make me more relevant in the search results when people are looking stuff up. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. I'll bend it in half, twist it, and I'll snap it off in your ass. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, I mean, naturally, that would be great. But if not, I get it. Thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care. And maybe, if I'm lucky, I'll see some of you in the next one. Bye for now.